After lockdown, we are still required to maintain basic physical distancing rules for everyone's safety and to prevent another wave of infections. But how can social distancing still be maintained in different places and environments? Here are some recommendations you might like to consider when visiting public places. Before leaving your home for a visit to the park, encourage your children to use the toilet as public toilets are closed. Maintain the recommended 2-meter distance from other people when visiting a park. If you are taking your children to play, then refrain from allowing them to play with the play equipment in the children's area. Instead, encourage them to run around or play sports in green areas where there will be more space for them to move around and also maintain distance from other park visitors. If you are having a picnic with your household, then ensure you are seated in an area where there is plenty of space around you. Try to keep your visit as short as possible or visit parks at non-peak times so that you can comfortably maintain social distancing rules. You may like to consider wearing a face covering outdoors if it already is not compulsory in your country. Consider traveling to local parks rather than making long journeys. Carry and use hand sanitizer while outdoors. And wash your hands for 20 seconds when you are back home. When visiting shops, do the shopping alone unless impossible. Plan your shopping lists to minimize frequent trips to the shops. Try and do your shopping when shops are less busy, so avoid first thing in the morning and lunch times. Continue maintaining a 2-meter distance from other people as much as possible. Wear a face covering when you are in an enclosed space such as a shop. Note the entry and exit doors of the shop and follow the one-way system in place. Use hand sanitizer upon entering and leaving any shop. If you intend on using a trolley or basket, make sure you disinfect it before using. Try not to handle items unnecessarily. Pick up only what you intend to buy. Use contactless methods of payment. When you return home, remember to wash your hands for 20 seconds. If you have been grocery shopping, then wash the fresh fruits and vegetables in warm water before putting them away. Wipe down any packaged food and drink items with an antibacterial wipe before putting them away on your kitchen counter or in your fridge. Also wipe down inside and out your reusable grocery bags before storing them away. When back home, consider leaving your shoes at the entrance of your home and changing out of your clothes and having a hot shower. If you have been retail shopping, leave any clothing items you have purchased to hang for at least 24 hours or wash them before use. Consider online shopping or use of click and collect services if it's available to you. It's important to remember that when visiting public places, the principal recommendations mainly are maintaining physical distance, hand washing or sanitizing, not to touch your face, wearing a face covering for respiratory hygiene.